This type of behavior is taking place on the nation street. You should be held accountable to such an extent that if you're making persons uncomfortable, then you should be uncomfortable. You should not be given the opportunity to lead in that way. Because if you do not control, because you say you are the gang leader, if you cannot control it, then you must be replaced. And somebody else who have control over your men take charge.
I just can't sit back and I watch the people them and destroy the little ghetto youth them. No, you have to talk about it. I say me nah, I say me nah. Certain things me nah do, me just nah. And certain things me can't do, me just can't. Because the little juvenile them a watch you. Me just can't. Hey, now what's the black brother working hard all week and go rob him chain? Collect bloody money from the black brother head, and when him touch down bust him brain. Me can't watch me own black people arise, and me want pull them down the drain and sing dirty music for corrupt the youth them brain.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. Well, today we are talking about Prezi and this youth here from the Sixx gang. Now this youth here come out and he make a speech from Prezi. And if you guys notice, I played a video at the front of this video at the beginning with Alexander, Mr. Police Alexander, saying to Prezi, listen, if you're running the gang and your gang them is killing people all over, innocent people, then we're gonna have to remove you. Now, in the video that I did, didn't I mention that Prezi is working with the police them? Because the statement that Mr. Alexander made, it shows that he knows Prezi, he knows what Prezi is doing, and he pretty much overlooked Prezi for whatever reason. Maybe Prezi gave him money before, you know, do favors for him, and you could tell. But now it seems like the politician and the innocent people, them that's getting killed. It seems like the politician them is up in arms and the police bigwig is pressing Mr. Alexander, and he came out and let Prezi know directly. Well, now hear what this Sixx member have to say, and this confirms what I am saying. No, people might take this youth here, what he's saying, as, oh, he's just Ray, and he's just making up things because he's in the Sixx. I am not looking at it from a Sixx point of view. I'm looking at it from a realistic point of view. I'm looking at it from the outside in. Mr. Prezi is a big time gangster. Him run the 7. Them used to name Rasta City. Now this man linked with politician, police, thief, pastor. Yo, him linked with thief, police chief, and the Indian chief, like my mother used to say. And it's just a known fact. Now, my thing to Prezi is, and this is what, because I'm not going to be long on this video, but my thing to Prezi is, you understand? Now, Prezi, you been around for a long time. You're a smart man. You're very smart. You understand? You're an OG. We not take that from you. But you see what happened to all of the high profile gangster them, especially the high one them, and even the ones them that's not high profile, like the low level. Now, there has to be a time when you have to make a transition, my youth. Put on the gang thing. Transition. Sometimes it's hard because so much damage has been done, but a good way you can transition is send out a signal to the opposing team them and the gang member them out there, make them know, say listen, because whatever you say, people will listen, Prezi. You understand? You can make a speech, you understand, and try and calm the city and talk to the youth them. You understand? Now you know that when a gangster retire, that's when usually a man creep up on them. So at the same time, when you say, okay, we are draw a truce, you know, and we are put on certain things and whatnot. You understand? But at the same time, you have to be vigilant. You understand? And listen, I don't want to teach you, I not teach the man them how fi. This is not a school in criminology. But Prezi, you have to be smart. You have to take some of that money out of the country. Find another place that's safe, another country. And you know what I'm saying? And set up your thing, and because after a while you need to vacate this up, because the politician them a get miserable, and you know them run the thing, and the police them a get miserable. You understand? And you know them work with the army and the politician. You see what I'm saying? So there must be a time when you have to step back and you have to have a plan B. I said it about Vybz Kartel also, and I said it, if I was some high profile gangster doing some crazy shit and making crazy money, you best believe I would probably have a house in Timbuktu. You understand? Where I can get away and put certain things behind me and listen, go feed the poor, join a missionary or something, dog. You understand? Because at the end of the day, Prezi, you know the outcome. So you need to really think seriously about that. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out.